Hi, this is Muhammad Ramadan from NinjaSec team. In this video, we will talk about how we can organize our information we gathered during reconnaissance or information intelligence step. We will use Dradis framework in Backtrack 5. We can find this tool in cd slash bintest slash misc ls cd Dradis. Yes, you can start it by install.sh script install.sh to try to install all missing or non-installed Ruby gems or dependencies. Okay, it is complete. Let's now after we install, let's try to start.sh. We will open Firefox and enter this IP and port here. Don't forget to add S, it is secured connection HTTPS, and you can specify a password, any password you want, confirm it, and create new project, choose name and enter your password. You can remember it. Now you can start to add your notes. You can import files from many other scanners like Nessus or Metasploit or OpenBass or any tool like Nmap. Let's start by add branch. Let's say we want to add notes about this host. We will start here by adding notes here. Okay, you can add child here. You can say IP address. Can add here and child host name, DNS server, and in every child you can type a note. Type the IP address of this, the IP address of this host, localhost is 1, 2, and click save here, so your work is more organized. And host name of this IP is localhost, and you can add note. You can type the DNS server name is DNS.localhost. You can also add child. Can type open portis. You can here add note. We found open portis on this host. Portis we found are this and this In this we will talk about how we scan with Nmap and how we find open ports in later modules. But you now have a great idea about how we can use the Redis and how we can add a branch and add child and add nodes, how we can import and how we can export. Here you can upload. You can upload Burp Suite or Nextpose or Nessus or Net2 or Map, OpenVAS, many others formats. You can also export in Word document here or HTML export. Okay. This tool is very helpful for penetration testers to organize their work between team, and you can try other options here and here, and you can configure this as you want.